In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an encrypted field in Salesforce. Now, encrypted fields are really useful for keeping sensitive information secure, offering a way to protect data using its built-in security features. Let's dive into the process, step by step, and ensure you have everything you need to set this up effectively. To begin, head over to your Salesforce homepage. Once you're there, we'll navigate through the setup options. Click on the Quick Settings icon found at the top right of your screen. This brings up a menu where you'll select Open Advanced Setup. With the Advanced Setup open, find and click on Object Manager. This section allows you to manage the various objects within your Salesforce environment. In Object Manager, you'll need to choose the label of the object you want to work with. Select the object where you intend to add your encrypted field. After selecting your object, look for and click on Fields and Relationships located on the left-hand sidebar. This will display the existing fields for that object, and it's where we'll create our new field. Next, locate the New button, typically positioned towards the top of the field list, and click on it to initiate the creation of a new field. As we proceed, you'll focus on Text Encrypted, which should be among the options listed. Selecting Text Encrypted is crucial because it allows you to set up a field with encrypted data, crucial for keeping sensitive user information secure. Once you've chosen the encrypted text option, check the checkbox that appears, then click on Next. Now it's time to input the field label, which represents the name of your field. This is how you will identify the encrypted field later, so make sure it is descriptive enough for easy identification. You will also need to set the length of the field. This determines how many characters can be stored in the field, so ensure this fits the type of data you'll be encrypting. After setting the length, it's time to consider the masking options. Focus on the mask type and choose the one that best fits your needs, then select a mask character, which will be used to obfuscate the data visually when someone tries to view it. Once these steps are complete, click Next again, and you will need to set up the field level security. Here you determine who can view or edit the encrypted field, ensuring that only authorized users have access. This is an important security measure to confirm. After you've established the field level security, click Next one last time and then finish by hitting the Save button. Congratulations! You've just created an encrypted field in Salesforce. This field will now allow you to store and protect sensitive information securely, maintaining the integrity and privacy of your data. Thanks for following along with this tutorial, and happy Salesforce managing!